Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have got a quick and fun Swift UI tutorial for you. We are going to learn how to add a rotation effect to your views with just few lines of code. Whether you are animating a button, spinning an image, or just adding a little flair to your app, Swift UI makes it super simple. We will start by creating a basic view, and in this case I will use an image which I will rotate to 360 degree. Let's dive into the code. Here we have a view in SwiftUI, which currently just shows a text on the screen. You can see in the preview. Before we create an image and then rotate that image, let's create a state variable, animate. This variable will let us control when to start and stop the animation. Now, there in the images folder, we have an image called swirl. So I'm going to put this image to display here. You can see that currently this image is quite big, so we definitely need to resize this image. We will make this image resizable. We will set up the aspect ratio. Let's use dot fill. And then we will give the frame size in which we will set the width and a height. Let's make it 150. Now we can see that the image is in a pretty nice size. Now this image does not have a transparent background. Since it has a white background and it is on the white screen, so it looks nice. However, if it was on a background which is not white, it would not look very nicer. So here you can see that on a black background, this image does not look very nice because what we want is a circle which rotates in 360 degree. So to resolve this issue, we can flip the shape of this image to a circle. And you can see that now it looks nice. It doesn't matter what is the background color. So I don't want black background color, so I'm going to remove this. So now we have the image which is clipped, and now we will add the rotation effect. In the rotation effect, we will tell to what degree we would like to rotate it. In the degrees, we will use the animate variable. So if animate is true, the angle would be 360, otherwise it would be 0. Now let's use the animation modifier. In the animation, we will tell the type of the animation. Would it be linear or bouncy or ease out? There are multiple ones. We are using the linear one because linear means the object movement remains constant. Duration will be 2 seconds. And we will tell that if we would like to repeat this, or it will be a once animation. So since we would like to repeat this, we will say repeat forever. And in repeat forever, we can also define the auto reverse false or true. So auto reverse false means the direction of the movement will remain on the one direction only. And then we will pass the value of animate. All right, so you see that still there is no rotation effect created on our image because we haven't started the animation yet. We need to make sure that this animate variable, the state changes to true. Now let's create on appear modifier. And in that, we will make animate equals true. And as soon as we are done, the content view in the preview will load and it will start animating. Now let's see what happens if this auto reverse is true. You can see that it is moving, but then it is auto reversing to the other direction. It would really help you to create nice effect when you use bouncy animation because you want the, let's say, a ball to bounce back. So auto reverse 2 will be nice in this case. Even in this case, if you want, you could use it or simply keep it false so that it keep moving in one direction only. I hope you liked the video. Thank you very much for watching.